Hi zombies. Okay, it is about 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. and the storm has definitely stopped. We still have the wind. This is the little area that I swept on the deck here. This is what I had to get away from the door just to open it. Just to open it without... I had to open the door, push the snow away from falling in, and then I was able to clear this little space here that I could stand on. This is my deck. It is covered with snow. The wind is still fierce. And of course my snow shovel is over there in the shed. Oops. Trying to get the exposure right with the snow. It's really tough. Snow shovel's over there in the shed. There's no way I can get those doors open. No way. Thank God for my neighbor who will snow blow later so as he can get a path done. But yeah, the sky is blue now, so that's a good thing. But the wind is on this point to show you around the side of the house, but this mound here is close to 3 feet. The drifting makes it kind of cool because, like, look, you can almost see grass right there, and then the drifts around it from the wind are pretty cool. Like I said, beautiful for about 5 minutes. But this is the biggest storm we've had, and they haven't closed the state down in about, I'd say, it has to be 4 or 5 years. And it's funny because the last big blizzard we had was also a Sunday. It started at 10 a.m. on Sunday morning and went all the way to 2 o'clock on Monday. We had about at least this much snow, but actually we had almost 3 feet that time. But no winds like this. This was crazy, scary through the night, I'll tell you. But, yeah, blizzard of 2010, folks. So I'm stuck in the house today, but that's cool because I got music and I got my brews yesterday, so I can do a video for you guys later. I do want to show you some fun stuff that I found at the antique shop yesterday before the snow hit. A little space here. It is just way out of hand, way out of hand. So that's it, zombies. I will talk to you all later. Stay warm, stay cozy, stay happy, especially if you had the blizzard too. Stay in. And I will talk to you all later. Love you all. Bye.